Hello students, can you hear me?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start the class. In the last class, what we were discussing was we were talking about the cell organelles, right? So, ami cell or information porilo, aru endomembrane system we have completed, and we were talking about mitochondria, right? Aru, today we are going to start a class by the organelle called as plastid, right? A plastid the most common plastid that we often talk about is obviously chloroplast, right? Chloroplast is not the only plastid that is present. We have to talk about the types of plastid. Are you plastid key thake? Keneba key form thake? So this is the thing that we are going to discuss, right? So PDF of also bacteria is a plastid, or the term plastid was given by Ernest Haeckel, no? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So yaate tumhare kira point important for query. Next is it is the largest cell organelle, and whenever we are talking about a plastid, we know that this is found only in case of a plant cell and animal cell. Plastid code pi, plant cell of pi, animal cell of pi. They are found in both.
Plant cell.
It is a characteristic of a plant cell, right? So obviously, in case of a plant cell, right? Exceptions are set. There are certain exceptions where the plastid is absent. So plastid of it is the largest cell organelle, right? Next is they are found in all plant cells and also in euglena. And euglena portion we already discussed, right? Euglena ki they form a link between plants and animals, right? They show plant-like characteristics and they show animal-like characteristics also. Question to the Euglena belongs to which kingdom?
Protista.
It belongs to Protista. Very good. So next is largest cell organelle, and next important punto, it is absent. It is absent in case of Kilicas as well. Bacteria, fungi, or blue-green algae. So those 3 points are important. They are involved in the storage of carbohydrates. Especially we talk about chloroplast. No, chloroplast photosynthesis. So obviously food could storable, or food in the form of carbohydrate would be always stored in a plastic. Next is we have a term called as plastidome. Eta cell jiman bilak plastids ase, all of them collectively are called as plastidome. Right? And next, depending on the color of the plastid কি কৰিছে তিনটা ভাগত বা তিনটা category divide কৰিছে, right? We have certain green colored plastid, we have certain yellow or red or brown colored plastid, and we have a type of plastid that is colorless, right? So depending on color, tinta type of plastid. Question ahe green color plastid naam ki, yellow orange color plastid or naam ki, aru tumar colorless plastid or naam ki. Out of this, maximum question has been asked about the colorless plastid. Because a colorless plastid, if you have gone through the notes, it's called as leucoplast. No, leucoplast again is of 3 categories or is of 3 types. Taking portion of the maximum question. So talking about plastids, tinta type of to divide for it is no. Chloroplast, chromoplast, and leucoplast. তাৰ ভিতৰতে photosynthetic কোনটো non photosynthetic কোনটো হেগিটা লাগে. This is a photosynthetic pigment, this is non photosynthetic pigment, and obviously this is colorless, so non photosynthetic can go. Next point about plastid is one type of a plastid can get converted to the other type of a plastid. Eta plastid antu plastid convert হৈ যাব পাৰে. For example, what we are chloroplast into chromoplast, right? So eta plastid asile that is green in color, aru he green color to isole colorful hoi jabo pare, and then we say that the chloroplast is converted into a chromoplast. Generally a condition to ami ketia dekha pao during ripening of a fruit, right? We always see fruits that are unripe. Green color, for example, if you talk about a mango or you talk about a tomato or a chili, when they are raw or young, green গ্ৰীণ হৈ থাকে কিয় কাৰণে because of the pigment that is present pigment to ক'ত থাকিব প্লাষ্টিকত থাকিব once they get matured they start ripening and once they ripen তাহলে color to change over color to কি হ'ব কাৰণে change হয় কাৰণ pigment to change হয় pigments ক'ত থাকিব এবাৰ সেই pigment থকা জেগাটো আমি কি বুলি কম chromoplasm so chloroplast into chromoplasm is possible but chromoplast back into chloroplast is not possible at a ripe fruit কেতিয়াও unripe হৈ যাব নোৱাৰে কিন্তু unripe fruit এটা সদায় ripe হৈ যাব পাৰে right so এইখিনি দিয়া আছিলে just go through the list next is leucoplast or যোনখিনি examples দিয়া আছে first it is colorless সেইটো জানো that's very important right next is আৰু এটা point দিয়া আছে চোৱাচোন Granum absent মানে কি granum কি বস্তু আগতে শুনিছানে এই wordটো have you heard something called as grana chloroplast is structure কৰিছে thylakoid grana etc etc okay আমি chloroplast structure to কৰিম অলপ পিছত then we make it more clear as of now এইটো এটা plastic chloroplast তোৰ ভিতৰত কি থাকিব thylakoid grana থাকিব কিন্তু ইয়াতে কি থাকিব so we have to remember this point no grana absent next is leucoplast আকৌ এইটো part যেহেতু important এই তিনটা types three types
নামটো কি ক'লে
হা
নামটো কি ক'লে
granum হয় stacks of thylakoid এটা এটাকে যদি thylakoid অকলে থাকে তাক আমি thylakoid বুলি কওঁ যদি thylakoid বিলাক এটাৰ ওপৰত এটাকে stackত থাকে হেতুক আমি granum বুলি কওঁ বা grana বুলি কওঁ আমি অলপ পিছত chloroplastৰ diagramটো আঁকিম then it is done here okay
yes ma'am
leucoplaster এইখিনি portion important ঠিক আছে so question আহে aleuroplast it is a plastic কি store কৰে aleuroplast কি store কৰে আৰু amyloplast কি store কৰে if you are talking about aleuroplast you have to remember something called as aleuron layer word to শুনিছিলা নেকি শুনিছানে আগতে okay just try to identify a diagram এই ডায়াগ্ৰামটো কিবা অকল মনত কৰিছে নেকি পঢ়া বুলি দেখিছা নাই can you identify the diagram any student
Yes, ma'am.
what is it
Maize.
it is a maize what seed right so in a maize seed first of all maize dicot ne monocot
Monocot.
it's an example of a monocot very good endospermous ne non-endospermous
endospermous
endospermous and non-endospermous
endospermous
it is endospermous very good because you know that seeds are of two types no endospermous seeds and non-endospermous seeds so when we talk about the maize seed it is endospermous the third point is how many types of endosperm are present in a maize seed okay now let's come back to that word again aleuron layer known as niki Is it something related to the maize seed? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
কি আছিলে?
Endosperm or kiba layer asile niki?
Exactly. So alluron layer to কি আছিলে? বা কি থাকে? Right? আৰু এইটো maize seedৰ দুটা endosperm থাকে, এটা হল proteinaceous endosperm, এটা হল starchy endosperm, right? So a layer of cells that contains proteins is called as a alluron layer and it is a part or it forms the proteinaceous endosperm. বাকি বিলাক cells কি হয় starchy endosperm. Now a alluronor পৰা কি আহিছে alluroplast. So when the question is about alluroplast, so that question ahe alluroplast of কি contain থাকে? What does it store? কি store হ'ব?
Protein.
Protein. Is the point clear now? So question ahe that the plastic that contains protein is called as alluroplast or ulta ke khudibo pare alluroplast contains what? It contains protein. Example means alluron cells or alluron layer of a maize seed. Right? Next we come to this word called as elioplast. Elioplast of ki thakibo? Fat
I
cell.
mentioned layer to ki alluron cell boliu koi na. Alluron layer to ke mane cell boliu koba niki?
Cell boliu koi karon alluron layer is made up of alluron cells.
Yes, ma'am.
Right? Okay. And finally, we have amyloplast. Amyloplast is key starch. So out of from the plastic part, maximum question has been asked about this colorless plastic. Colorless plastic is leucoplast. Based on what it stores, it is of three types. If it stores proteins, it is called as alluroplast. Fats or oils in it, elioplast. Or starch, it is amyloplast. So any portion I'm going. Next is when we are talking about the plastic, we have seen that three different types of plastids are present. Out of that, honey, the most common plastic that we always talk about, that is the chloroplast, we need to study in details. As far as chromoplast and leucoplast is concerned, আমি যেখানে লিখিছো that is more than enough. তাকে বেশি আর নালাগে information. কিন্তু chloroplast you need the entire information and you need to know the structure of a chloroplast also. Right? So So talking about the chloroplast, what we know, it is a green plastic. Plastic bilakor bhitorot ki thake, we see the presence of pigments also. Say third point about chloroplast is photosynthesis occurs inside this plastic. Questions in the ahead. What is the site of a site for photosynthesis? Site of photosynthesis. Site of photosynthesis is plastic, right? Now talking about this one, akko ekta question ahead. Say we know that it is a cell organelle. Either it is membranous or non-membranous cell organelle. Membrane আছে নে নাই?
আছে
আছে. So membranous, if it's membranous, again the next question that follows is a single membrane or it's a double membrane?
ডাবল মেমব্রেন
It's a double membrane cell structure. Very good. So when we draw our chloroplast, just to have a rough idea, right? So this is almost a double membrane cell structure that it looks like a chloroplast. Talking about the chloroplast, you have to know the parts. The chloroplast ki thake? In the chloroplast, you see certain sac-like structures. Okay. So inside the chloroplast, what you see is certain sac-like structures that is called as thylakoids, right? Sometimes what happens, these thylakoids, এইবিলাক single কে আছে কেতিয়াবা কি হয় thylakoids বিলাক one above the other এনেকে stacks of arrange হৈ থাকে, right? যদি এনেকে arrange হৈ আছে এই গোটেই portion টোক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next, so sac-like structure that is called as thylakoid. Sacs arranged on top of the other is called as grana, right? These grana remains connected with each other. Just a second. Okay. So right, these are called as stroma lamella. Next, inside the structure, you see proteinaceous substance or proteinaceous liquid that is called as stroma, right? And next we have this one as the outer membrane. Inner membrane. Next, we see the genetic material. Right? Next, ribosomes. What is the type of ribosome? 70S. Right? So talking about a chloroplast, it looks something like this. তাত কি থাকে যে দুখন membrane থাকে আৰু inside content of আমি কি বুলি কওঁ, it is proteinaceous in nature and it is called as stroma. In the stroma, what you see is sac-like structures that is called as thylakoid. This thylakoids remains connected to each other by, or this thylakoid remains in stacks, they form grana, and two grana are connected with the help of stroma lamella. অলপ আগত যে পইণ্ট এটা লিখিছিলো গ্ৰানাম absent, এতিয়া বস্তুটো বুজি পাইছা নাই? In
I
case
see,
of
ma'am.
plastid is present, right? বাকি থাকিব কিন্তু কি নাথাকে, তাত গ্ৰানাম নাথাকে, এটাৰ ওপৰত এটাকে thylakoids বিলাক arrange হৈ নাথাকে. Right? Now in this figure, what is important? You have to know something about the stroma and something about the thylakoid from photosynthesis point of view. কারণ photosynthesis কোট হয়, photosynthesis chloroplast ভিতর হয়, and we know photosynthesis is divided into two reactions, that is a light reaction and a dark reaction. Light reaction কোট হয়, dark reaction কোট হয়? Where does light reaction takes place and where does dark reaction takes place? Are you aware that photosynthesis is divided into two reactions, light reaction and dark
Yes,
reaction? Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
What about the rest of the students? Light reaction কোট হয়, dark reaction কোট হয়? And thylakoid কি হয়? Here?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Another thing is, since inside the chloroplast photosynthesis will take place, so obviously কিছুমান আমি কি দেখা পাম, starch reduce লেখা পাম food storage কোন হবো next বাকিখিনি আমি নোটছৰ পৰা পঢ়িম The term chloroplast was given by it is a green plastic. It is also called as a kitchen of a cell. So you need to remember the term kitchen of a cell, right? It is a double membrane cell structure. Next, talking about the shapes of a chloroplast. Shapes of a question ahead. Shapes of chloroplast we have to study in plant kingdom also, especially during algae portion, right? Algae, I mean, different types of examples of algae will have different types of chloroplast or shape of chloroplast. So here directly question ahead, what is the shape of the chloroplast in case of a higher plant? Talking about plants, lower plant, higher plant, I think we understand. If you're talking about algae, so obviously it's a lower plant. If you're talking about angiosperms, it's an example of a higher plant. So in case of certain types of algae, you see different shape of chloroplast. In case of a higher plant, what is the type of chloroplast that you see? You see something like this, and this shape is called as T. Right? So, it is a question I said this coin. Next is in Zygnema, it is stellate. Stellate. Another question I say in Chlamydomonas. Chlamydomonas is something like this. Right? Yeah, there. Cup shape. Next is in case of Spirogyra, it is spiral. Spirogyra cell, so if you have noticed. Our Zygnema stellate মানে star shaped, right? So shapes of chloroplast you will study. Next is number of chloroplasts. Generally from this portion, Kihorkor question I said about Spirogyra. So out of the information that is given, Spirogyra important. So chloroplast around 1 to 16 per cell, right? Next ketaman term Pheoplast, Rhodoplast, aru Ethioplast. Pheoplast ki likha ase chloroplast of brown algae. Brown algae bilakok ami Pheophyceae boli kau ne nako.
Yes.
Right? So Pheophyceae will have Pheoplast. Rhodophyceae, that is the red algae, will have Rhodoplast. Now we have a term called as Ethioplast. Ethioplast by ethylation. Have you heard the term? Right? We have a process or we have a type of plant that is called as an etiolated plant. Junbilag etiolated plant, right? Tahator puntu chloroplast thakibo. The chloroplast that they will have is called as etioplast, right? So who will have etioplast? The etiolated plant will have etioplast. Now, what is an etiolated plant? Etiolated plant is a plant that shows etiolation. এনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ প্লান্টস বিলাকৰ এটা প্ৰসেস থাকে এই প্ৰসেস বা কিছুমান সিম্পটমস দেখা পায় আৰু এই সিম্পটমস খিনিক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ ইথায়োলেশন যদি ইথায়োলেশন হৈছে এই গছডালক আমি ইথায়োলেটেড প্লান্ট বুলি কওঁ আৰু ইথায়োলেটেড প্লান্টৰ কেনেকুৱা ধৰণৰ ক্লোৰোপ্লাস্ট থাকিব ইথায়োপ্লাস্ট are the three sentences clear
মানে
Yes,
ইথাইলেশন
ma'am.
হলে মানে সানলাইট তো নাথাকিব নেকি
what is ethylation? I will explain. Ethylation is a process. What you have to do is, suppose you take two seeds, right? You take one seed and keep it under the sun for germination, and you take one seed starting from germination, you keep it in absence of light. Duta seed loisa, both the seed will germinate. One seed in light, the other seed in absence of light, right? In both the cases, the seed will germinate, but the new baby plant will have certain points of dissimilarity. Jundal plant light of germinate কৰিছে, সেই plant that Jundal plant shade of germinate কৰিছে, দুইডাল planter অকমান difference থাকিব. And what is the specific difference that we are talking about? কি difference হ'ব? Difference কি হ'ব কোৱাচোন? You keep two seeds, no? এটা seed, this is light, this is suppose dark, right? You keep a seed, you keep a seed. This seed will germinate, this seed will also germinate. Into a baby planter, দুইটা planter কিবা এটা major difference আছে. What is the basic difference? Absence of light or কি হ'ব? What do you have?
কালাৰটো নাহিব নেকি?
Exactly. Exactly. It will become or it will be faded because they will not develop chlorophyll, right? The plant that has developed in presence of light will be a normal plant, chlorophyll থাকিব. Absence of light due to baby plant germinate কৰিছে, that will be devoid of chlorophyll. What is the reason behind? The reason is we know chlorophyll is formed from protochlorophyll only in the presence of light. Protochlorophyllৰ পৰা chlorophyll form কৰে. Protochlorophyll যেতিয়ালৈকে light নাপায় তেতিয়ালৈকে chlorophyllলৈ convert নহয়. আৰু যেতিয়ালৈকে chlorophyll form নকৰিব, obviously you cannot see the green color in the plant. So this is called as etiolation. What is etiolation? The এটা দিয়া আছে নেকি বস্তুটো? Look. Starting from germination, if you keep a seed under absence of light, the symptoms that the plant will show is called as etiolation. Angiospermic seed attack, starting from germination, absence of light of the thua, these symptoms দেখা পাম, সেইখিনিক আমি কি বুলি কওঁ? Etiolation. That plant who has shown etiolation is called as an etiolated plant. Etiolated plant will have a chloroplast that is devoid of sunlight. That is called as etioplast. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
তাহতৰ chloroplast থাকিব নাথাকে? Etiolated plantৰো chloroplast থাকিব, কিন্তু সেই chloroplastৰ ভিতৰত chlorophyll form নকৰে. So a chloroplast devoid of chlorophyll, কিহৰ কাৰণে devoid of chlorophyll? Because of absence of light, that is called as etioplast.
তাহাঁতি মানে পিছত কালাৰলেছ নিচিনা হ'ব নেকি?
তাহতে জীয়াই থাকিব নোৱাৰিব ন?
অ
লাইটত germinate কৰি কিমান দিন থাকিব? তাহতে নিজৰ খোৱা বস্তু নিজে বনাবই নোৱাৰিব. Up to a certain time they will survive, because we know whenever we are talking about germination, from the very starting of germination they don't start preparing the food. এটা seedৰ পৰা just baby plant ওলোৱাৰ লগে লগে খোৱা বস্তুটো বনোৱা আৰম্ভ নকৰে ন? কৰে নেকি?
নকৰে।
অকমান কেইদিনমানৰ পিছত ন, after a certain period of time, because the young leaves are not capable of preparing food. So do you know at that time a baby plant food cobra pie? From where does the baby plant get the food?
And roots পৰা পায় নেকি?
Reserve food থাকিব ন এটা seedৰ? Either it will take the food from the cotyledons or it will take the food from the endosperm. Inside the seed, right? Either the baby plant will take the food from the cotyledons or it will take it from the endosperm. Hey, endosperm ki hoy? Endosperm is a group of tissues that contains nutrition for the baby plant, right? Actually, it gives nutrition for the developing embryo. Thik denike, cotyledons is a group of cells which contains food or nutrition diye. Endosperm nutrition diye, cotyledon nutrition diye. So
Yes.
baby plants, up till the time they are capable of preparing their own food, they will depend on the food that is already reserved in a seed. A reserved food বুলি ক'লে, we remember two sources. One is cotyledon and the other is endosperm. In certain types of seeds, the cotyledon will give the food. In certain types of seeds, the endosperm will give the food. That is the reason why we have classified seeds under two categories, endospermous and non-endospermous. If a seed is endospermous, then obviously the baby plant will take the food from the endosperm. If the food is non-endospermous, they will take it from the cotyledons. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Next is certain information about inner membrane and outer membrane. So inner membrane of Kirika is less permeable than the outer membrane. Permeable, what is permeable?
Pass কৰিব পাৰে.
In and out, right? And
Yes.
the membrane of in and out capacity, that is called as permeability. Next is you have information about what does the stroma contain, right? We have drawn the chloroplast. Chloroplast or a ভিতৰৰ portion, that liquid or gel-like substance is made up of protein and it is called as what? Stroma. What are the structures that you are going to find in the stroma? There is list on the thylakoid, we have already drawn, right? Thylakoid, granum, enzymes required for carbohydrate and protein synthesis, right? Enzymes bilak thakibo, photosynthesis hobo lagile. Next is, okay, talking about enzymes, no? Photosynthesis hobo lagile, kisuman enzymes lagibo, aru eta very important enzyme that was related to the dark reaction. Naam to koasun? C3 cycle monta se.
Yes, ma'am.
Enzyme related. C3 cycle or dark reaction hobo lagile eta enzyme lagibo, he enzyme to naam ki asile? Aru he enzyme to kot thakibo. Remember something called as Rubisco. Okay, Rubisco enzyme is present in the chloroplast. Key point to very important. 17% of the chloroplast enzyme is Rubisco. Next is talking about the genetic material. No, genetic material key as a DNA and RNA. RNA is present, but you have DNA also. And what is the type of DNA? It is double-stranded circular DNA. This is the same DNA that we have seen in case of a bacterial cell also. And also in case of mitochondria. Next, certain information about thylakoid. Thylakoid is a site for light reaction. It contains quantasome. What is a quantasome?
Present 30 chlorophyll and 50 carotenoids.
Quantasome mane ki? Okay, listen to it carefully. We know inside the chloroplast, light reaction and dark reaction, both of them occur. In light reaction, what happens in light reaction? Someone takes the light or someone accepts the sunlight. Who takes in the light? The pigments take in the light, right? So we know light reaction begins by accepting sunlight, and who takes it is the pigments. Now we have to know as to how many pigments take in the light at the first time, right? So pigments bilak ki hoy? So pigments ase chloroplast. Pigments se ki hobo light lobo. Certain informations about the pigments. First, do the pigments remain single or they remain in groups? Photosynthesis hobo lagile pigments lagibo ne nalage?
Lagibo.
Pigments bilak kot thake? Where will you find the pigments in the chloroplast? We know light reaction occurs in the chloroplast, so obviously pigments will have to stay in the chloroplast itself. But where exactly in the chloroplast? It will remain in the thylakoid. That is the reason why thylakoid shows, or it is a site of light reaction. The next point about pigments is exactly where in the thylakoid? In the outer membrane of the thylakoid. The next point, pigments always remain in groups and not in single. Eta eta ke nathake, groupot thake. Do you remember the groups, the two groups that participated in light reaction? Moi chikini koisu buji paisa nai, something not related to this chapter. Obviously, it is related to photosynthesis. But we have to know the word quantasome. Quantasome is something associated with the pigments. So these are the informations about pigments. Pigments should be present only then light reaction will take place. Where will you find the pigments? In the outer membrane of the thylakoid. How will you find the pigments? Does they remain in single or they remain in a group? They remain in a group. How many groups are present? Two groups are present. What are the names of the groups? PS1 and PS2. Remember the word PS1 and PS2?
Yes, ma'am.
So
Yes,
what is PS1 or what is PS2? Nothing but groups of pigments that will take in light. Here,
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
next. Okay, light reaction starts by accepting light. A group of pigments will take in the light. That group of pigments which will start the reaction. That group is called as a quantasome, or it is also called as photosynthetic unit. Right? Eta group of pigments will light logo. So this quantasome consists of what? Obviously, it consists of pigments, right? Now the next point is, what are the pigments associated with photosynthesis?
Chlorophyll
Hmm?
and chlorophyll eta.
Yeah, obviously the main is chlorophyll, but is it only chlorophyll? Aru kiba kibi ase?
Aru thakibo ma'am.
What do you remember? Why is it like this in the class that only one student is answering? What about the rest of the students? Are you still there in the class? Then what happened? So there are so many students. I can see all, but no one is responding. Okay, coming back to the question again. Since we are talking about quantasome, we have to talk about photosynthesis. We have to talk about the photosynthetic pigment. The question is, what are the photosynthetic pigments? Is it only chlorophyll? No. The second type of a pigment is carotenoids. Right? So chlorophyll are carotenoids. Carotenoids divided into two types. Carotenols carotenoids are xanthophyll. So photosynthetic pigments of opposite chlorophyll xanthophyll etc. So that group of pigments during the first time light reaction to that is called as a quantasome. Question ahead, what does a quantasome consist of? A quantasome consists of 230 chlorophyll molecule and 50 carotenoids. Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
The next point about chloroplast is the same things that we have discussed during mitochondria. Mitochondria to eduka statement kohisilu. Semi-autonomous cell structure aru endosymbiont of bacteria. Mitochondria is also considered as a semi-autonomous cell structure and an endosymbiont of bacteria. What was the explanation? Exactly the same explanation for chloroplast also. Semi-autonomous means what? They are totally independent, but still then they are dependent on the nucleus. Endosymbionts of bacteria because they show certain similarities with the bacterial cell. As far as presence of purine is concerned, the type of genetic material is concerned, the type of ribosomes is present, etc., etc. Aru, both of them undergo binary fission. Next, we have also a word called as agranule chloroplast. All of our chloroplast থাকিছিল ন এটা actually thylakoids হয় এটো এটা chloroplast আর এটো এটা chloroplast যে thylakoids বিলাক stacks of আছে right যদি stacks of আছে এটো কি বুলি কৈছে grana. So this is a chloroplast, this is also a chloroplast. This is called as agranule chloroplast and this is the normal or the granule chloroplast. Is the point clear? Jedi grana ase tetia hole granule chloroplast, the normal chloroplast. Jedi grana is absent, then it is called as agranule chloroplast. Are the two terms understood?
Yes, ma'am.
Next, what is agranule chloroplast? Any question nahi? Question nahi bo. Agranule chloroplast is founded. Ki likha ase?
Bundle sheet cell of
Bundle
C4
sheet
plants.
cells of C4 plants. Remember C4 plants? C4 cycle. C4 cycle, C4 plants are an example. Kwa? Any student? Give me the most common example of C4 plant. Okay, so power sugarcane, maize, electric oil, C4 plants, right? C4 plants for see the diagram in your NCERT book. The duta cell associated to it, the duta chloroplast থাকে, right? So dimorphic chloroplast. Eta photosynthesis ko hoy, mesophyll cell oto hoy, bundle sheath cell oto hoy. So bundle sheath cell of jedi photosynthesis hoy, tetale chloroplast tat thakibo lagibo. But the chloroplast that is present in the bundle sheath cell is agranule. The chloroplast that is present in the mesophyll cell is granule. Clear?
Yeah.
Next, in case of prokaryotes, especially in case of bacteria, we have already discussed that there are certain photosynthetic bacteria also. If photosynthesis has to occur in bacteria, they should also have pigments. And if they have pigments, do they have thylakoids?
Yes, ma'am.
Thylakoid to থাকিব নোৱাৰে ন thylakoid কেনেকে থাকিব thylakoid is a membrane bound cell organelle and membrane bound cell organelle is always absent in case of a prokaryote, right? So we don't use the word thylakoid, instead we use a word that is called as chromatophore, right? So into question ahead, say bacterial cell or photosynthetic bacteria equivalent to chloroplast ki hoy. So it is chromatophore. Next portion. The number of grana per chloroplast, number of thylakoid per chloroplast, not very important. Origin of chloroplast. Eta chloroplast kopra originate kore from pre-existing chloroplast, right? It is a self-duplicating cell organelle. Next is some information about grana. Grana ki asile? The thylakoids bilak jodi eneke etar upor etake stack kore tak ami ki buli ko? Grana. Grana two types. Appraised and non-appraised grana. What is the appraised grana? What is the non-appraised grana? Junbilak grana surface to upor or surface to free hoy thake. This part and this part. Tak ami ki buli ko? Non-appraised. Aru eta grainer ki hoy? Yar upor eta ase, yar upor eta ase. So this one, eta ko ki buli koy? Appraised. বুঝি পাইছেনে নাই পোৱা? Just see.
Yes, ma'am.
আৰু non appraised কি থাকে? কি হয়? এইটো portion of question. The photosystem 1 is presented or is a characteristic of which type of grana? It's a characteristic of non-appraised grana. So this is all about chloroplast.
Ma'am.
Next cell organelle that we have to talk is about ribosomes.
Ma'am.
Yeah, please ask.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, অলপ আগত যে আপুনি কিবা পিগমেন্টৰ কথা কৈছিলে আকৌ এবাৰ ক'বচোন থাইলাকইডত থকা নথকা কথা
মানে regarding which cell? The normal photosynthesis?
নহয় আপুনি যে কৈছিলে পিগমেন্ট থাকে থাইলাকইড হ'ব নাই বুলি যে হেতু কি কৈছিলে
Bacteria thylakoid present ne absent. Thylakoid absent in case of bacteria. So pigments ক'ত থাকিব? Pigments chromatophore থাকিব.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Ribosomes portion to soa. Ribosomes fully kole. What is the function of a ribosome? They will produce protein. Second, where will you find ribosomes in a cell? Ribosomes are found in two places. Either it is found in the cytoplasm or it is found inside the organelles, right? Inside organelles means inside mitochondria, inside the chloroplast, right? And if you are talking about ribosomes in the cytoplasm, it could be found freely in the cytoplasm or it could remain associated with certain organelles like endoplasmic reticulum and nuclear membrane. Clear? Second part. Third part, types of ribosomes. Ribosomes broadly divided into two types, 70S and 80S. What is S? S is the sedimentation coefficient or Sedberg's constant. Means what? Depending on how what is the weight of the ribosomes, right? Or if you want to study the ribosome, what you will do? You have to extract the ribosome from a cell. Before extracting or before talking about ribosome, the first question that arises is it a membranous cell organelle or is it a non-membranous cell organelle?
Membranous.
Ribosomes are non-membranous cell organelle. That is very important from question point of view. Okay. Now, if in a cell you see certain membranous organelle, if you want to extract that organelle from the cell, it is easy. For example, if you have a cell, you want to study the mitochondria, you can take out the mitochondria because it has a proper membrane. But if you're talking about ribosomes and you want to study the ribosome and you want to extract the ribosome, it is not possible to directly go and extract. So how do you study a ribosome or how do you extract a ribosome is you take the cytoplasm, তাৰপিছত centrifuge কৰাৰ পিছত the ribosomes settle down, the heavier ribosomes will settle deeper and lighter ribosomes will stay on the top. Depending on this, or this is what is called as sedimentation. Depending on sedimentation coefficient, there is something that is denoted by S, or some say it is a Sedberg's constant. Depending on that, ribosomes are of two types, 70S or 80S. 70S characteristic of prokaryotes, 80S and 70S characteristic of eukaryotes. Fourth point, ribosomes fully kole, it is made up of two units, a larger unit and a smaller unit, right? The larger unit is dome shaped, and tar uporat eta koru cap-like structure that is called as a smaller unit. So 70S will also be made up of two units. 80S ribosomes will also be made up of two units. Next point, ribosome is made of ribonucleoprotein, RNA and proteins. So eta ribosome ki dekha pao ami RNA dekha pao or proteins dekha pao, and to be specific, which type of RNA? It is rRNA. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
এতিয়া ribosomes portion to পঢ়া আৰু কি বস্তুটো বুজি পোৱা নাই মোক সোধা। Just go through. So we have talked about cytoplasmic ribosome and organellar ribosome, right? Just go through the pages. So when we talk about the ribosome, I said that it is made up of two units, no? A2 whole, larger subunit, or A2 whole, smaller subunit. কি থাকিব? Proteins আৰু RNA. Right? Here. Put RNA, rRNA. Next is the smaller subunit and the larger subunit remains attached to each other and it depends on Mg2 positive concentration of RNA. It is attached. At a specific concentration of this, it kumi jay ba bahi jay, the two unit will separate. Okay, please read the ribosome portion. Take some time and then ask me questions. Asen my sobore hatতে PDF form.
আছে ma'am.
আছে ma'am.
What is what key question? Kono statement বুজি পোৱা নাই? Start reading. Are there any doubts tonight? Please inform so that I can go to the next unit.
Ma'am, ইয়াত ক'লে যে আপুনি মেগনেছিয়ামটো কাৰণ দুটা ইউনাইটেড হৈ থাকে ন?
Hmm.
Ma'am, মেগনেছিয়ামৰ কনচেন্ট্ৰেচনটো বেছি হ'লে ডাইমাৰ ফৰ্ম হ'ব মানে এইটো কেনেকুৱা হ'ব?
না ডাইমাৰ ফৰ্ম হ'ব বুলি নহয় ৰাইবোজোম এটা যেহেতু দুটা পাৰ্ট আছে that is what is called as a dimer.
Yes, ma'am.
Next, there is a statement about polyribosomes also, right? Polyribosomes means what? One ribosome, two ribosome, three ribosome, polyribosome, many ribosomes. Into a polyribosome does not contain only ribosomes, but it also contains RNA. And which RNA? mRNA. Next is types of ribosomes. Types of ribosomes are equal to 60S, 70S, 60S, sorry, 70S and 80S. 70S will also have a smaller unit and a larger unit. 80S will also have a smaller unit and a larger unit, right? In case of 70S, what are the units? It is 30S and 50S. Hey, বস্তুটো জানিব লাগিব।
Ma'am, free ribosomeৰ পৰা হোৱা প্ৰটিনখিনি মানে সিক্ৰেট কৰিব নোৱাৰে ন?
নোৱাৰে।
Ma'am, separons মানে কি হয়?
এইটো বস্তু ইমানটা নালাগে এতিয়া তোমালোকৰ কোৱেশ্চন আৰু ইয়াৰ বস্তুটো তোমালোকে জেনেটিক্সত বেছি ভালকে পঢ়িবা।
Okay, ma'am.
It's okay now. Any doubts, other students?
No, ma'am.
Okay. So here what we have completed is we have completed the different types of cell organisms present in a cell. The next topic of discussion is cytoskeleton, right? So what is cytoskeleton? We know that a cell always has a skeleton. Right? So, generally human beings will also have a skeleton thing, skeleton thake. And what is the function of the skeleton? The most important function of a cytoskeleton is it helps to maintain the shape, right? It helps in motility of a cell, etc., etc. Right? Pseudopodia formation or help for it. So we have different functions. The most important function that we talk about is shape and maintain for it. In case of human beings, the skeleton present or absent, obviously present. It is made up of what? It is made up of bones. In case of a cell, a cytoskeleton is made up of what? So skeleton ase, kintu skeleton to kihere bonua. It is made up of certain types of proteinaceous structures, and this cytoskeleton filaments kisumane bonua hoy, filament structures ki kora, and these are three types. Kini three types. Right? So it is made of proteinaceous filaments like microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate fibers. If you are talking about microtubules, it is tube-like. You know the tubular genipa, right? Second, it is a hollow structure, right? It is made up of 13 parallel filaments. Means what? So tube-like structure, tube-like structure to kenika bobona thakibo. 1, 2, 13. Right? A koro tubes bilakok ami ki boli koisu protofilament. Edal thakibo 13 dal, and ultimately they will form one microtubule. কিমান থাকিব 13 protofilaments থাকিব এই গোটেই স্ট্রাকচারটো আমি কি বুলি কম microtubule বুলি কম, and this is hollow. Next, branched ne unbranched. Unbranched. Next, very important, a protein is present. It is made up of obviously protein. To kuntu protein thakibo yeah, right? Next, microfilament boli koa loge lage, it is like a filament, threador nisina. So obviously it is not hollow, it is a solid structure, right? Yato kisuman proteins thakibo, and protein duta naam hol myosin aru actin.
Microtubules or last point of just GTP and calcium only GTP to ki hoy?
Veracyte triphosphate.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. আৰু এটা পইণ্ট আছে এই 13 protofilaments বিলাকৰ আকৌ কি থাকিব সাবিউলিনছ থাকিব জেনাৰেলি কিমান তিনটা বা দুটা সাবিউলিন থাকিব তাৰমানে ইয়াতে মই জাস্ট এডাল দেখাইছো ন এইটো যদি এটা protofilament তাৰ লগত এনেকে থাকিব ঠিক তেনেকে নেক্সট যদি protofilament থাকে তাৰ লগত আৰু এনেকে সো এইবিলাকক আমি কি বুলি কম সাবিউলিনছ অফ ওয়ান protofilament here. Our next, it all heavy intermediate fibers or specific kunu structure na thake tahator they have given different names. For example, keratin fiber, neurofiber, neurofilament is there. Keratin filament, neurofilament, heterogeneous filament, put by muscle cells of right? Our astrocytes of that is called a GLL filament. 3, 4, etc. Right? It's important key. Cytoskeleton of functions. Cytoskeleton lage because it maintains the shape, responsible for motility of the cell. Right? Next is mechanical support. So, ekini was a cytoskeleton rough idea, right? So, cells bilakor the cytoskeleton thakibo. Cytoskeleton is made up of proteinaceous filaments. What is the function of the cytoskeleton? It maintains the shape, motility, mechanical support to the cells. Proteinaceous filaments are of 3 types, that is microtubules, microfilaments, and intermediate fibers. Talking about microtubules, microtubules like tube-like, so it is hollow in structure. It is made up of certain subunits called as protofilament. Protofilament or apopisma subunits again. Microtubules, where they are present, function. So the function is important, right? Spindle ray formation of karne lage, astral ray formation of karne lage, anaphasic movement of chromosomes of karne lage, cell plate formation of karne lage, etc., etc. Function is really important. এতিয়া এই portionটি পঢ়া আৰু চোৱাটি বুজি পোৱা নাই. Let's start from this part. The first page involved in we have discussed microtubules found in the cytoplasmic matrix of eukaryotic cells occurs in. So that is important. Lekini important likhiba microtubules kot paam cilia, flagella, centriole, mitotic apparatus, basal bodies. What is a basal body? Olop pisot ami korim. If I am talking about mitotic apparatus, what is a mitotic apparatus? Spindle fibers. No? Cell division of junto form for every kami ki boli ko mitotic apparatus. Microtubules are absent in prokaryote. Where they are found but occurs in part is important. Next, it is hollow cylindrical unbranched 25 nm in diameter, nanometer in diameter. Composed of 13 protofilaments are tahator tat ki thake je duta ba tinta subunits thake generally duta kotha koise kenuka dhoroner subunit alpha beta subunit are important key the protein that they have. Maximum question has been asked about the protein that is present. Microtubular key protein ase and microfilamental key protein ase. So ei tinta protein or naam ami bhalke pohi. Coming to the functions of microtubules, help in spindle and astral ray formation during cell division. Okay. Now, what is spindle ray or astral ray? Ki hoy? Hunisane agote spindle ray or astral ray? Okay. Etu jodi eta cell hoy. Ha?
Spindle ray to unisitu.
Astral ray ki bostu mo koi ase ekdam roughly. Suppose this is a cell, especially there is center of nucleus to aki, so generally we are denoting with cell. Plant cell and animal cell. Central nucleus ka thake plant cell and animal cell. It is a characteristic of animal cell, right? Because in a plant cell, center of ki thake the vacuole. Okay. During cell division chapter, ঠিক আছে? এই নিউক্লিয়াস টো ওচৰত এনেকুৱা যে দুটা বস্তু থাকে এটাৰ নাম কি? এটা তো নিউক্লিয়াস। ঠিক আছে? এখন নিউক্লিয়াৰ মেমব্ৰেন we understand. এইটো কি হয়?
Centriole.
Centriole. Very good. Right? এই centrioleৰ পৰা কি originate কৰে? কিছুমান fibers. কেনেকুৱা fibers? দুটা type of fibers. Spindle আৰু actin. Right? During the time of cell division. এইটো প্ৰথমতে তাহাঁতে দুইটা ওচৰতে থাকিব during prophase and later they will germinate or they will move towards the two poles, no? So suppose এইটো cell, এইটো এটা centriole move কৰিলে, ইয়াতে এটা centriole move কৰিলে, এই centriole টোৰ পৰা কিছুমান fiber like structures form কৰিব. Attaching what? The chromosomes. হয় নে নহয়?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Right. So what we need to remember, this is a centriole, this is a centriole. From the centriole, certain filaments will arise. These filaments are of two types. One type of a filament is attached directly to the centromere. ইয়াত লাগি থাকিব। ঠিক আছে? আৰু কিছুমান এনেকুৱা filament থাকে যোনে নেকি এটা centrioleৰ পৰা আৰম্ভ হৈ পেলাই next centriole টো পাইহি, it is not attached to the chromosome. The filament that is attached with the chromosome is called as discontinuous fiber. The filament that is not attached with the chromosome continuous fiber. So centriole পৰা কি ওলালে? Continuous fiber ওলালে, discontinuous fiber ওলালে, আৰু কিছুমান star like এনেকা short fibers ওলায় that gives the appearance of a star. এইখিনি আমি কি বুলি কৈছো? Astral rays. Here.
Yes, ma'am.
So that is the function of the microtubule. Second point is they form the cytoskeleton of cilia and flagella. Cilia, flagella, একদম base of one piece of body details. They help in giving the shape, rigidity, etc. Anaphasic movement of the chromosome. Microtubules are responsible for the anaphasic movement of the chromosome. Means what? Anaphase of কি হয়? Anaphase জানো ন? If you are talking about cell division, we have prophase, metaphase, anaphase, and telophase, right? Mitosis also আছে, meiosis also আছে. Anaphase of specific characteristic key means what is the event that signifies anaphase?
And chromosomes like separate as a upward
And reach to the two poles, no? Another word is the centromeres split, right?
Yes, ma'am.
Anaphase of what you need to remember, anaphase of কি হয় চোৱা, prophase of the nuclear membrane disappears, chromosomes are scattered in the cytoplasm. Metaphase, all the scattered cytoplasm come in the equatorial plant. Anaphase, the centromere splits and the chromatids move to the two different poles, right? And in telophase, opposite of prophase, the nuclear membrane formed again, etc., etc. Next point. Anaphase is something that is seen in mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis or anaphase to কি বুলি কয়? Anaphase বুলি কয়. Meiosis or anaphase? Anaphase 1 and anaphase 2. In case of anaphase, that is anaphase of mitosis, the centriole splits. In case of anaphase 1 and anaphase 2 of meiosis, ইয়াতে এটা বস্তু হয়, কি হয়? মই যদি কওঁ anaphase of centriole split কৰে, thus the statement holds the meaning in both mitosis and meiosis. Mitosis of centromere split করে, নে meiosis of centromere split করে, নে দুইটাতে centromere split করে?
and দুটাতে
দুইটাতে centromere split করে। কিন্তু anaphase 1 and anaphase 2 of meiosis is different. What is the difference? The difference is anaphase 2 centromere split করে, anaphase 1 or centromere split নকৰে. So the way to remember anaphase is anaphase characterized by generally separation of the chromatids and splitting of the centromere. Centromere splits during anaphase of mitosis and anaphase 2 of meiosis. In anaphase 1 of meiosis, the centromere do not separate. Here,
Yes,
okay. Next is about micro. Okay, I will PSA. The last function that is given, the position of the future cell plate is determined by microtubules. Cell plate, mane? What is a cell plate? And it is associated with what? ইয়াতে কি দিছে যে মাইক্ৰোটিউবুলছ বিলাকে সেল প্লেট ফৰ্মেশনত হেল্প কৰে. এটা সেল প্লেট কেতিয়া ফৰ্ম কৰে আৰু কি হয় আৰু ক'ত ফৰ্ম কৰে? Again, the information has to come from cell division. When we talk about cell division, দুটা step karyokinesis and cytokinesis. কোনটো আগতে হয়? Karyokinesis আগতে হয়. After karyokinesis, what happens is cytokinesis. Cytokinesis in a plant cell, cytokinesis in an animal cell, both of them are different. Karyokinesis same. What is the difference in the cytokinesis of a plant cell and cytokinesis of an animal cell? Wow. Cell division of PSI, karyokinesis, cytokinesis. Karyokinesis of PSI, prophase, metaphase, anaphase, telophase. এই গুটেইকিটা হৈ যোৱাৰ পিছত আমি কি ডায়াগ্ৰাম পাম? দুটা নিউক্লিয়াস হয় নহয়?
Yes, ma'am.
Animal cell আৰু yes or no?
yes,
After
ma'am.
karyokinesis, either it's a plant cell or animal cell, this is the diagram that you are going to see. From this cell, two cells need to be formed. এইটোৰ পৰা দুটা cell হ'ব লাগিব, এইটোৰ পৰা দুটা cell হ'ব লাগিব. That is, we are talking about cytokinesis. Cytokinesis animal cell of কেনেকে হয়? Remember something called as cytokinesis takes place by furrow formation or cleavage formation. In case of a plant cell, cytokinesis takes place by cell plate formation. এতিয়া বুজি পাইছনে?
Yes, ma'am.
Right? So cleavage formation মানে কি? এই সেলটো কি হৈ যাব?
সোমাই যাব।
হয়নে? Ultimately, দুটা cell form কৰিব. Yes or no?
Yes, ma'am.
In this case, is cleavage formed in a plant cell? এনেকে সোমাই যাব পাৰিব নেকি?
নোৱাৰে।
নোৱাৰে। কিহৰ কাৰণে নোৱাৰে? Because it has a cell wall and the cell wall is a rigid structure. If cleavage cannot be formed, then how is this cell separates or is going to separate into two cells? What happens is, in case of a plant cell, after this step, no, কি হয়? এনেকে কিছুমান vesicles block লাগি পেলাই এখন কি বুলি কয়? Cell plate form কৰে. এই cell plate খনে কি কৰে? এটা cell দুটা cell লে divide কৰি দিয়ে. Here, So a cell plate form koribole kune help korbo? Microtubule. Is the point clear?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes.
Okay. Etia, I think this is all about cytoskeleton. So please go through the portion and ask me the doubts. Functions microtubules of function or microfilaments of function. Microfilament helps in cleavage formation. Microtubule helps in cell plate formation. And from the intermediate filaments, what is important is question has been asked about heterogeneous filaments. Because the question is heterogeneous filaments are founded. They are found in muscle cells. Are there a point about intermediate filaments? It's an important question, I said.
Ma'am, pseudopodia formation to কি আছিল?
Question I said. Basket around the nucleus kune form kore nucleus to in and around kisuman filaments or basket or ase and that is formed by intermediate fiber question. Okay, what was the doubt? What is a pseudopodia? Pseudopodia is also called as a false foot, especially it is seen in case of amoeba. Amoeba, in fact, we know amoeba does not have a specific shape and size, right? And তাহাঁতৰ flagella না থাকে, so তাহাঁতে move করে কি হেৰে এটা জায়গাৰ পৰা আনটো জায়গালৈ যাব লাগিলে তাহাঁতে এটা portion এনেকে আগুৱাই দিয়ে নিদিয়ে body group.
Yes, ma'am. Yes.
So this is called as pseudopodia. So in organelles like amoeba, no, তাহাঁতে pseudopodia form কৰিব লাগিলে এটা portion আগুৱাই যাব লাগিব. Who helps it? Lisa? Is it clear?
Yes, ma'am.
কিবা doubts আছে নেকি? Cytoskeleton portion to পঢ়ি চোৱা.
Ma'am, heterogeneous filament to muscle cells ত থাকিব নেকি?
Ha. Heterogeneous cells, heterogeneous filaments are found in muscle cells. Tell you what question is it?
Ma'am. Intermediate filaments of the radial filament বুলি কৈছিলে astrocyte মানে কি?
Present in an astrocyte. Astrocyte is a star-shaped cell. Star etar nisina cell eta. Are a astrocyte to code probably was a central nervous system of life.
Okay.
Astrocyte is a cell that has a star shape. Astrocyte. Here. So we have started with cytoskeleton, and I think for today this is all, right? In the next class we are going to continue cytoskeleton. Cytoskeleton, I mean, centriole, centrosome, cytoskeleton of cilia, flagella, right? 9+2, 9+0. We'll discuss it in the next class. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.